Hola, me llamo Stacy. Today we're going to learn the colors in Spanish, los colores. After I say each color, I'm going to pause so that you can try to say it as well. Let's begin. Rojo, azul, amarillo, verde, negro, blanco, morado, marrón, gris, rosa, naranja. Let's practice the colors by singing a song to the tune of Frère Jacques. The song is Los Colores. I'll sing the first part of each line and then you can join in with me for the second part of each line. Let's begin. Red is rojo, red is rojo, blue is azul, blue is azul, yellow is amarillo, yellow is amarillo, verde, green, verde, green, black is negro, black is negro, blanco is white, blanco is white, purple is morado, purple is morado, brown, marrón, brown, marrón, pink is rosa, pink is rosa, gris is gray, gris is gray, naranja is orange, naranja is orange, shout ole, shout ole. This game, Los Colores, can be downloaded by going to the description of this video on YouTube. To start the game, you're going to need some counters and a dice. At the bottom left, you see the word empezar. Empezar means to start. That's where everybody will begin. As you move along the board, every time you land on a color, practice saying the color in Spanish. If you land on something with words, you'll have to follow the instruction for each one of those squares. The vocabulary can be found underneath los colores and the squares underneath that. Pierde un turno means lose a turn. Toma otro turno means take another turn. Que lástima means what a pity. And que suerte means how lucky. If you land on que lástima, that means what a pity, you're going to have to follow the lightning bolt down to the square that it points. If you land on que suerte, you're going to follow the arrow to the square that it points and it takes you ahead. I hope that you like the game. Buena suerte. Good luck.